Dr. Shambhavi, and I'm from Rossari Biotech. My company deals in animal health and nutrition, covering aquaculture and pet and care, and finally the poultry. And we have joined this expo like since last year also, and it has been a marvelous experience. The farmers here are very interested in knowing about the products and all. And since the poultry industry is moving fast forward, I think that everyone is there for enhancing their technological knowledge and going for technical advancements as well. So keeping that in mind, we have introduced our many products, and we have many products in the basket, like trace minerals, enzymes, and then we have AGPs, anticoccidials, and acidifiers and all. But the latest we have launched is Protoxy FC Advanced, which is our encapsulated protease enzymes, which acts on the gut and helps in releasing the proteases there. So yeah. We are going in hand with the Kolkata Expo, and thinking like to have much more bigger audience again next year when we participate here. Thank you so much.